Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a end of year photocard collection. Once again, my photocards have changed 100% since last time I did the collection video. Like, the folders have changed, who I collect has changed. It's all changed because I don't know how to keep them all the same. Clearly. I have organizational issues. This one is ateez and then these two is Twice and Misk. I took this out of this one to differentiate between the two because these are both the exact same. This one's the different. But we're gonna jump right in. We're gonna start with ateez. This is my ateez folder. This is one of the only groups I collect all the members for. I do collect OT8. So this is episode 1, and then episode 2, and then we're coming into episode 3. I do have the My Music Taste photocards. So this is the Illusion album, and then the Illusion MMT, well, that's My Music Taste. And then we have the Wave album, and then Wave My Music Taste. And then we come into episode Fin. This Woo Young is on the way. So is the Hongjun and San. I just need to find this final Yunho, and then this is finished. I decided not to collect the My Music Taste photocards for this era just because they're really similar to the actual album photocards, and I didn't really see much of a point. I know that's a bit weird. And also they've announced their comeback action to Answer, and I physically cannot afford to collect OT8 and My Music Taste for both, so I'm just not. And then we have the Z version, and the Hongjun and San are on their way. And this is the anniversary version. I have not started on this yet. I'm still waiting for some albums to come in, so I just haven't been buying any of them. But this blue one does mean that that's on its way. And then this is just the treasure from the episode Fin albums. And this is the Season's Greetings. It didn't arrive to me in time to have it in here, so I might do an unboxing since it's arriving tomorrow, but I don't know yet. And then we come into my little Jongho collection. We have his cafe card, the two My Music Taste for episode Fin, the group cafe, then there's some Japanese stuff down here. We have the Cake on Polaroid, and then Shift the Map version A, and then I do have version Z coming in from a trade, but it just didn't get here in time. And we do have some sneaky Yosangs on the back because he's my other child. And then these are some Japanese photos. I have not been able to find this one anywhere for a good price, so if you do have that one, I'll be happy to buy it from you. And then I do have the Shift the Map photos on their way. They just didn't make it in time. And that is all of my ateez photo cards. I haven't set it up for action to answer yet because I'm in denial that they're having yet another comeback. And then coming into the next photocard folder, this is my Twice folder. I do collect 3 members on Twice, but only very recently, so it's very incomplete. Chaeyoung is the only one that's fairly complete. We have the Story Begins, and then page 2. And then this is Twice Coastal Lane 1. I just put the pre-order cards down here to fill the page. Then we had Twice Coastal Lane 2. They had 2 sets of pre-order photo cards, so I decided not to get them. Then we have Signal, and I put the pre-order cards in here. And then we have Twice-togram. I'm making quite a good bit of progress with this. The black lines mean it is on its way. We have Merry and Happy. Then we come into the albums with a lot of cards. We have them like each to their own page. So we have like a Geo, Diane and Chaeyoung page just because they got colours and it's cute. I like it. So we have Geo's page, and then we haven't got any Diane yet. And Chaeyoung is complete. I'm just waiting for this to arrive. Then we have this set that I'm collecting OT9 for. And then I don't have any Geo or Diane Summer Nights yet. And here is Chaeyoung. And here are the sets I'm collecting OT9 for. So essentially I'm filling a page and then collecting the rest as OT9. This is the border and then the QR code. And I have 2 Geo Yes or Yes, No Diane, and then Chaeyoung completed. And then this is the set I'm collecting OT9 for. And then Year of Yes I've kind of ignored for now, since they're really difficult to find. But I do have Chaeyoung completed. And then I don't have any Geo Fancy, but I do have this Diane. And then Chaeyoung is complete. And then my OT9 set. Then we have the Fancy pre-order benefit cards. And then this is Feel Special. I do have some Geo. The gold card is on the back for each one. And then I don't have any Diane except for the gold card. And then Chaeyoung is complete. I'm just waiting for this card to arrive. And then this is the OT9 set, also complete, with my Momo Mystic card on the back. And then the Feel Special pre-order cards. I had to put these in, they're so gorgeous. And then that is the end of my Twice collection. I'm moving on into Misk cards. Oh my god. Moving on into Misk. We start off with Red Velvet's Yeri. In this binder, most of it is just collecting one member of each group. I wish I could collect all members, but financially not able to. So we start with Yeri. I do have pretty much all of her cards. I'll read them out to you. They've got the Ice Cream Cake, the Red, the Velvet, Russian Roulette, Rookie, the Red Summer. Then we have Peekaboo, Bad Boy, Summer Magic. And then RBB, River Festival Day 1, River Festival Day 2. I've taken the 2 stickers off of the person who I bought these from because I'm fairly sure she scammed me. So I have removed those from my on the way list. And then these are for the River Festival finale, since they have 5 cards. Then we come into the only group in here that I collect all the members for. It's Saturday. This is for the album I Know You Know, with it's IKYK, I don't know. The song is Byung. And I'm just missing 1 card for this, and it's Ion's pink back. And then these are the purple back cards. And then these are the first fan meeting cards. And then I will have their cards from their season's greetings when it arrives. Coming into From It's 9, I collected Jiyeon. So we have 2 hearts. I don't have the ID card. Today, and then I'm just missing this Love Bomb card. And this is Fun Factory. I haven't really started on this yet. I just have the Hino cards and then this 1 card that I got in a group order since she was left over. And then this is Itzy Chaerong. These 2 cards were coming from the same person as Yeti, but again, fairly sure she scammed me, and you know, that is what it is. But I have rebought them from someone else. So this is Chaerong, she's not complete. And if you'd like to know the username of the person that scammed me, just drop me a message on Instagram or put it in the comments and I'll let you know. This is Izone Cheon, next to her sister Chaerong. She is complete for now until Bloom Eyes comes out. And then this is G-Friend Umji, a very new collection, so it's not very complete, but I have managed to get all the cards for some of their early albums. So I'm fairly sure that is Flowerbird. Oh no, is that Flowerbird? This is... I don't know. Yeah, okay, Flowerbird, Snowflake, yes. This is Law and The Awakening. Then we have Parallel. And then we have Rainbow up top. This one is on its way. And then this is Time for the Moonlight. And then we have Sunny Summer. This is Time for Us. And then Fever Season. I've been prioritizing some of their earlier albums just because like the newer cards will be more available for longer. I don't know if that makes any sense, but just been going from the start. And then into a group called Nature. I do collect Haru. I have their Allegro Cantabile, but it was Girls and Flowers, and then Someone Love, and then I'm So Pretty, the purple back version, and then this is the yellow back version with the group card. Then I haven't started on the new album yet, just I haven't really caught up. And this is Kang Daniel, my favourite boy in the entire world. I have finished his solo cards now. I've moved on to collecting his one-on-one cards. And I've done quite well with doing this. I'm only collecting photocard size things since they have a lot of things that are not photocard size, like postcards and sleeve things. I've decided not to do that, it's just too much work. So I have To Be One, Nothing Without You, and then I Promise You, I think. Yes. And then Undivided, Power of Destiny, and then my friend gave me this for Christmas. It's from their tour. Then we have AB6. I collect Youngmin. I did collect Youngmin and Woon, but they decided to have like 8 cards each for the most recent comeback, so I couldn't do that. So he's finished for their first album, Be Complete, and then I'm still very much working on their next one, 6 Sense. Then we've got NCT Jaehyun. He is so far completed, so we have Fire Truck, Cherry Bomb, Empathy, Regular Irregular, Regulate, and then Superhuman. And then I also collect 10 from Wavy and NCT-ish. So we have his Empathy, just his Reality, I don't have his Dream version. Takeoff, I've got the album in a group order, hopefully I can get his cards. Then I have his Take Over the Moon set. And this is where I ran out of green paper, but this is Super M, American Korean version. I've only got 1 card for this. But I do have this card like 3 times, so if you'd like to trade for his other card or Baekhyun, please trade with me. Then we have 1S, I collect Hwanwoong, I butcher his name each time, I'm so sorry. We have Light Us, and then Raise Us, and Fly With Us. I'm fairly complete with him. I do have this card coming from someone, and then I just need this final card here. And then X1, I collect Hyungjin, he is completed for now. And then Luna, I don't actively collect Luna cards, not right now. I'm just trying to finish all their solos. I'm missing 1 solo, and that's VV. So that's Heejin, Hyunjin, I have her Love and Live card. Then Hasu. Then Yeojin, she's still coming in the post, her solo album, so I'll have her soon. Then we have Vivi, I don't have her album, but this is her Love and Evil card. And then this is Kim Lip, her version B. And then Jinsol, Cherry, I don't have her attendance card, and I don't think I'll ever have it, so I've just put her mix and match card here. And then I have Eve from her version B album. Then Chu, Go On, and Olivia, and her Beauty and the Beat card. And that is all the photo cards that I collect at the moment. I have a ton of cards up for trade, so if you would like to trade, just DM me on my Instagram, it's just my username for YouTube. And I'd be happy to trade with you. But yes, thank you for watching, and this is my end of year collection. So I'll be fully reorganising and getting it ready for the new year, so maybe I'll post a video on that. But yes, thank you for watching, and if you've watched this far, please put a purple heart in the comments. Thank you.